Hello students, here we have two particles and the particle 1 has the mass of 322 gram and particle 2 has the mass of 482 grams and the particle 1 is traveling with the speed of 2.68 meter per second. So we can write V1 as 2.68 meter per second and it collide with the particle 2. So from this we have to calculate the impulse on the particle. So we have to calculate the impulse on of the particle. So here we have two conditions. If the collision is elastic and the collision is inelastic.